In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailchimp templates effectively for your email campaigns. Whether you're looking to engage your subscribers, market your products, or share some big news, a well-designed email can make a huge difference. Luckily, Mailchimp offers a variety of templates to help get you started, and today we're diving into how to use them step by step. First things first, head over to the Mailchimp website. You'll need to log into your account, so if you've already got one, great. If not, take a moment to sign up. Once you're at the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your username or email followed by your password. After inputting your credentials, simply click on the Log In button to access your Mailchimp dashboard. Now once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your Mailchimp account. From here, the real fun begins. Look for the Create button, which is your gateway to crafting new content within Mailchimp. Clicking on it will open up several options, but since we're focusing on email, go ahead and select email from the menu that appears. Upon choosing the email option, you're now another step closer to creating an email that stands out. But before you start drafting your message, it's important to pick a template that matches the vibe and content of your email. Click on the template button to proceed. This action will lead you to a page full of various template options. Now, I know it might be tempting to just dive in and pick the first one you see, but I encourage you to take a moment to browse. Mailchimp offers a range of templates, including some that are free to use. So if you're operating within a tight budget, be sure to check the free templates only option to filter your search accordingly. Once you've found a template that catches your eye, it's time to get started with customizing it. Click on Get Started to open the template editor. Here's where your creative input comes into play. The template you've chosen serves as a foundation, but everything from the text to the images and colors can be tailored to fit your brand's identity and the message you want to convey. Customizing a template might seem daunting at first, but Mailchimp's editor is pretty user-friendly. You can add new elements like text boxes, images, and buttons by dragging and dropping them into your template. Likewise, removing or editing existing elements is just as straightforward. Take your time playing around with different layouts and design elements to see what works best for your email's purpose. Remember, the goal of your email should guide your design choices. If you're announcing a new product, make sure your images and text highlight its features and benefits. If you're sending out a newsletter, focus on readability and organizing your content in a way that's easy for your subscribers to navigate. Finally, once you're satisfied with your template customization, don't rush to hit send just yet. It's imperative to preview your email and test it across different devices to ensure it looks good everywhere it's viewed. Mailchimp provides tools to preview your email on desktop and mobile, so make use of these to catch any issues before your email goes out to your entire list. And that's it. You've just learned how to select, customize, and prepare to send an email using Mailchimp templates. With a little practice, you'll be creating emails that not only look great but also resonate with your audience. Keep experimenting with different templates and design elements to find what works best for your brand. And most importantly, have fun with the process. Crafting emails can be a creative endeavor that helps you connect with your subscribers in meaningful ways. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.